Hi, it's Giselle. I just wanted to make an adjustment on my last video, my tutorial with the little Christmas tree and the elf booties. It wasn't clear. I was at a different angle. So this is basically what the tree is supposed to look like. I'm going to show you how to make it, and I'm going to show you two other little projects which are really cute. Okay, so got your square napkin. Fold it in half, fold it again. Now what you're going to have is you're going to have an open side here with four open sides. Okay, you're going to fold them both, all of them towards the top like this. One triangle, two, three, and four. Okay, once you've got that, you're going to flip the whole thing, and it's not going to fall apart if you flip it with two hands. Okay, then you're going to take your left side and you're going to make sort of like a half tree, and you're going to take the right side again and overlap it with the left side. So now you've got something like this. Okay, you're going to flip it over. Okay, now you've got all these little triangles here that you're going to turn upwards. The second little triangle is you're going to slide it under the first one, which is going to be your second triangle now. Third one, again, slide it underneath. Slide the other one. And the last one. So you're basically just doing the same thing all along the way until you finish your triangles. So you're going to end up with just some little adjusting along the way. You're going to end up with your little tree like this. Okay, and what I did before, like I showed you, you're just going to decorate it the way you want, but what I did is I placed a candy cane diagonally, and then placed some little candies at random like this. Looks really cute if you put some little candies at random. Like this. Okay, so every guest is going to have their own little tree. What I suggest a good idea maybe is to work on your little tree in a dish or a plate that's the same diameter as what you need, and so that you don't manipulate it too many times, but it's pretty sturdy, it's pretty safe, it won't fall apart if you're just a little careful with it. See, so I like it. It's pretty cute. Now the second, I have two other little projects that I want to show you. These I'm not going to make on camera, but they're pretty self-explanatory. I made these little time bottles here, and what I did is I made them for birthdays, and for the birthdays each guest got one placed on their table setting, and what I did is I typed up a little paper here, and the paper had the date of the occasion and the name of the person if you wanted to, and inside there was little confettis, and so you adjust it for the occasion. This is for our first anniversary. So here there's a little candle inside with a little rose. So if you know somebody who's celebrating their first anniversary, wedding anniversary, or any other kind of anniversary, that would be cute to give. This one says, our first new home. So if you know somebody who just bought their new home, I placed a little heart in there with a little rose. So that'd be nice for a momentum. This one says, Merry Christmas, daughter. So here there's a little piece of wire that you can put it into the cork. It's very easy to insert in there. And in here there's two little roses. So if you have a daughter, you know, first Christmas tree, that would be nice. This one says, we took our first trip. So if you know somebody who went on their first trip, I placed some little beads in there, you know, like Mardi Gras beads that, you know, when you go on a trip, and little plants in there to remind them of their vacation. There's some potpourri in there. So if you have like miniatures, which I have at home, these little time bottles are so cute. This one, the little cork came off, but you can just stick it back in there. Okay, so this one says Merry Christmas, and you have the dates. So what I did is I created a little candy cane made out of pipe cleaner and some little glitter. This one, our first Christmas tree. So if you know somebody who just bought a home or something and they're celebrating their first Christmas together, I put some little beads, some little tree, one of these, you know, these little fake tree branches that you can buy anywhere that come with the ornaments, just to remind you of Christmas. Again, the little wire, so you can place it on the branch and it hangs on the tree, so every year it would come out and you know, they have their souvenir. The other project that I wanted to show you, which is really, really easy, this one obviously I'm not going to make online because it requires a laminating machine, which I purchased at Bureau and Grove, and it wasn't expensive at all, and I've made so many projects. And you type your paper, and then you have to buy special paper, and you stick it in there, and it seals the paper. And I put "you are here." I typed "you are here," and then I strung a bunch of beads. What I did is I punched a little hole, and the bead on the outside is the bigger bead, so it doesn't come out of the hole. And then the other bigger bead is at the bottom here. So you can string as many colors as you want, as many types of beads as you want. And I haven't seen these "you are here." This is an idea I came up with. I figured, well, you know, it's pretty self-explanatory. If you're on a page, you won't lose your page. So I thought that was really cute. But you know, invest in a laminating machine. It's a good idea. It's not expensive, and you can turn out so many projects. So that's what I wanted to show you. So again, till we see each other on the net, have a great time, and signing off from our craft room. Thank you.